Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
If your dryer drum won't spin, start by checking the drive belt for breaks or wear, since a broken belt stops the drum from turning. Then inspect the drum rollers and idler pulley for any wear or sticking. Don't forget to test the motor and door switch. If either is faulty, the drum won't spin. Replacing damaged parts or calling a pro usually gets your dryer working again fast.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.